I thought it'd be a good day to do my dad's running boards for his truck. He's got a 2020 GMC Sierra, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it and learn myself. Alright guys, sorry about the sun, but this is his GMC Sierra that he's got here. I'm pretty short, so this is a big ass truck. For my mom as well, she really needs these steps and elevation package, and I think that comes with a slight lift and bigger tires, so you can tell. I might do a review for this truck, so let me know if you guys want that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get up under here. So right here, there's gonna be a lot of tabs. See these little tabs right here? There's one right there, two, and we got more tabs over here. We're just gonna pop these off. Okay, but first I'm gonna show you the running boards, see what we're working with. I bought some DNA motoring, I don't know. I bought from DNA, they're pretty good with their car parts. So let's see how these running boards are. Okay, this is gonna be kind of tough. Okay, now I gotta take these ones out. So, okay, so we got these open. These are pretty big. I don't know if that's what I need here, but oh my god. That says right there L, so that's the left side. You got the right side, and I'm pretty sure this is all the stuff you need in here. Sorry, I need my knife. Brackets here. So these are the brackets that are going to go in those little tabs that I showed you guys. Pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. He's got some weight to him. Alright, so we got these three brackets. We got the left side. We got instructions here, and we got a bag of bolts to come with it. So far we have our brackets here. We have our bolts. A leveler. Unfortunately, I don't have the tool to take off the plastics, but I do have a spoon. Shout out to my Tesla workers who know what a spoon is. Alright, let's get down here. Alright, so I was a bit confused to which plastics I'm supposed to take out, but I lined it up and I believe it's gonna be the first ones, those. And alright, so there's 6 plastic tabs. You're gonna want to do the front plastic, take those plastics off. You're gonna skip the middle, skip this one, and get this tabs off. And then you're gonna get the last tabs, you're gonna skip this one. That's pretty much where your brackets are gonna go. Brackets, brackets, and then your mount. Bam, should fit on here. Okay, got it. Oh my god, those are. There you go. Sorry, it's pretty dirty back here. I don't know why my dad doesn't clean this. Just kidding, Dad. If you're watching that. Okay, there we go. So now we're gonna do the same. Sorry for the sun glare, man. We're gonna do the same for these. Alright guys, so we are gonna be needing, it looks like, one of these. That and a washer, and that's going to be what's holding these brackets to the truck. Alright guys, now we're simply just going to bolt it down. Like so. And tighten it for now. And then we get the top one. Do the same for the top one. Alright, so for the driver's side, you want these little things pointing this way. And for the passenger side, you also want it pointing that way, so. That's the first bracket. Now we're gonna do the same for the rest of them. All right guys, now that we have everything lined up, I didn't tighten everything down until I got the rails on, made sure it fit. So now that we do have it fitting, let's go ahead and tighten everything up. You're gonna need a 13mm for those bolts. All right, so now that it's tightened, we're good to go. And for this one, you're just gonna need these right here. The washer. And yeah, well, I think you need a bigger one for this. That's all you need. Alright guys, so I got that bracket on, I got everything on, everything looks good. And for me, the trickiest part was actually the plastics, like, cause there's 6 plastics that I had to take off, and there's only 3 brackets. So this is the design, make it easy. Alright, so there's 6 plastic tabs. You're gonna wanna do the front plastic, take those plastics off. You're gonna skip the middle, skip this one, and get this tabs off. And then you're gonna get the last tabs, you're gonna skip this one. That's pretty much where your brackets are gonna go. Brackets, brackets, and then your mount. Bam, it should fit on your 2020 Silverado. I'm pretty sure it's the same for, I mean GMC, but same for the Silverados. So yeah, now let's get the other side. So I have just finished up guys. It is really hot out here, and I got these side rails on, and I think it looks really nice. Yeah, that took me probably about 30 to 40 minutes, and that's only because I didn't have the proper tools. It's right here. I have no idea why they went with this design. It just makes the job a lot harder. I prefer them to use those kind of bolts right there. And yeah. Oh yeah, oh shit. Man, I'm gonna take a shower. But, oh yeah, one more thing. Do you guys want me to do like a review on this truck? And maybe I could even do a review on a Model Y. Yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see some reviews on those cars. Alright guys, so overall that quality on those running boards, I give it probably 8 out of 10. Little things that they should have done, I think, was probably change those bolts for actual, you know, like the ones I said, and also painting them black, I don't know, or matching to the color of the truck. It would have been cool.